All right, congratulations. You are rapidly approaching the end of our course because you are now ready to start working on your persuasive research project. Now, this page is where you're going to decide what you want to write about. And if you'll notice, we have a list of topics for you to choose from. Now, if you're really passionate about something and you don't see that on the list, email or send a message on Remind to either me or Miss Hanks, and we can maybe work that out. But probably easiest for you is going to be to use one of these articles we pulled for you, because these are all topics that have at least two sides to the issue, which is going to help you take a stance and be persuasive. So if you look, you're going to answer a couple of questions about what you want your topic to be, which we'll talk more about in just a minute. But more importantly, first, when you see a topic that you are interested in, if you look, it's actually going to be a link to a website called Gale. Now, I'm going to go ahead and open this in an incognito window so I can show you guys how to log in. Gale is a resource paid for by our district, which is excellent because it has all these articles that, for the most part, are legit information. You don't really have to sit there and determine if it's credible or not because it's coming from trustworthy sources. When you log in, go ahead and click down here where it says Sign in with Clever. And then you'll log in with Active Directory. And this is where you're going to type in your student ID and your login, just like you would to log into Canvas. Once your page loads, you're going to notice that this has an overview of the topic at hand. This is to let you kind of read a little snippet about what this topic is. Make sure you really are interested in it and that you'd want to write a research paper about it. If you click Read More, this is actually an article that you could use later when you're collecting your sources. But again, overall, it's just to give you an idea of what is involved with doing this topic. Once you've decided on a topic that you want to pursue, all you have to do is copy and paste the topic title. And then down here, tell us a little bit about why you chose this topic. Maybe you're interested in standardized tests because you have had to take that STAR so many times. Maybe you're interested in talking about sweatshops because you want to purchase ethical clothing and you really work to make sure people who made your shoes are paid well. Whatever you're interested in. And then your opinion is, for example, standardized tests. I think the state should ban standardized tests. I think that the minimum wage should be raised. I think that just tell us kind of what your opinion is. And that might change a little bit depending on the research that you collect, but just starting off, what is the side that you want to take? As always, if you have any questions about this page, please reach out to me or Mrs. Hanks. And if not, complete this page and then go on to collecting your sources.